Oil, Fat Andy, yeah? Right, Iceland. I see these and they said new. I thought I'd done them before, but I looked at my playlist and I couldn't see them anyway. And it said new on there. Battered lemon chicken. There you go. £2.5 or 2 for £4 is what they're doing on them. So, yeah, let's get down and have a look at them, see what they're all about. Right, here we go then. If you hear anything in the background, it's just a microwave on. Iceland takeaway battered lemon chicken. There you go. Air fry for frozen in 10 minutes. Probably good for a snack. A couple of quid. If you get a couple of boxes, 230 grams. I'm guessing really these are chicken balls with a bit of lemon sauce in it. I don't know. I haven't looked, but have a look on the side here. Takeaway battered lemon chicken, cooked battered chicken pieces with a lemon sauce sachet. They are. I didn't even look. I guessed it was. But anyway, it's a bit of storage and promise. Get round the back here. Have a look. What we got here? Right, air fried 10 minutes. That's got to be the way to go, I think. As you can see there. Or if you want to put them in the oven, 20 minutes. You can deep fry them in 5 minutes. I'm going to go air fry with these, I think. Yeah, right, that's the ingredients as you see on there. We've got chicken breast is at 67%. That's all the other ingredients that go in. Allergens are wheat and soya. For allergens yet see in bold. Just a little warning there about some bones may remain, what they say on everything. A little bit of nutritional information on there if anyone's interested, and that is it. Right, let's get these things out and have a look. Here we go then, battered lemon chicken balls. That's what you're getting, 2, 4, 6. I'll just take them out here, I'll just lay them on a tray and do them in the air fryer oven. They're the battered chicken balls. Nothing brilliant, but hey, what are you expecting for a couple of quid? And that's your lemon sauce, which you'll just drop into a cup of hot water. Right, I'll get these on a tray, get these cooked up. Me and Kyle have a taste test. Catch you in a bit. Right, there we go, they're on a tray, so I'll get these cooked up. Right, they're done. There you go, the 6 chicken balls. I've just done a couple of flatbreads, because we're going to probably use a couple of flatbreads in there. So get them on a plate. There we are on a plate, battered lemon chicken balls. Yeah, let's just try them and see what they're all about. I've got the sauce here as well, which I've had in boiling water. So we'll get it on and give it a go. Right, Kay's there. Yeah, I'll just get one of these and just cut open for you. Just show you basically what you're getting in there. That's your chicken breast and everything. I'll cut another one open here. Just try them. We ain't got the sauce on yet. This is just as it is. Oh, yeah, we'll know what. Try it as it is.
In a bowl.
What? No, because you can tip it on there, can't you? Women. We're in.
All right. How's the girl?
Nice and crispy, eh? Cider, nice chicken. Right, get yourself a bit of bread. I'm going to cut this open, which is a sauce. What do you mean it's hard? It's just been in there a couple of minutes. We'll take the other one in, that might be softer.
This is all right.
Right, I'm going to pour some on this bread. This lemon sauce. Do you want any on there or not?
Yeah.
So what we're doing, you look here, and then we're just going to put some on some flatbread, and I'm just going to put a couple of these in here and try it that way with the lemon sauce. If you want some more lemon sauce out, we've got absolutely stacks here in this pack.
Oh look, I'm dripping.
Oh, don't worry, girl. All dripping as a hot day. Don't drip it down you. Right, let's get you back up there. Right, just dive in. It's going to run out everywhere. A mess, isn't it? What about?
Nice. I quite like that lemon sauce.
It's nice. It's got a nice strong flavour to it, isn't it? I mean, you get loads of lemon sauce with it.
God,
So I'm dripping it everywhere.
pity you didn't get more chicken
Well,
in it.
that's quite nice, you know. I mean, I was up at £2.50. £2 if you sort of mix and match and get other stuff. If you buy a couple of these or this and something else in that deal, and that's £2. I ain't that bad for £2 to be quite honest. At the end of the day, packet of sandwiches, as I always say, that's a roundabout that time, and you keep leaning on that and switching that on. Bloody Dutch and Hobbs. Flavour's nice, chicken's nice and crunchy.
Yeah,
Batter on the outside.
yeah.
Nice white chicken breast in the middle. Yeah, I can't knock it. What do you give that out of 10?
Give it a 7.
7 out of 10. I want to go 8 out of 10 on them. Would I have them again? Well, yeah, I would, but I reckon if you buy a packet of chicken balls, you know, say at Aldi or something, or a big bag of chicken balls, get some lemon sauce or something. You know,
Or you could make your own lemon
you
sauce,
make your own lemon sauce. It ain't hard, is it?
couldn't you?
At the end of the day.
Out of a bit of lemon.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, it ain't bad for... put it this way, if I was going to work and I work with somebody and I want to take something to work for food, and they had an air fry, yeah, I might get a box to take to work. That's a good little snack, and it's in the sandwiches all well. But anyway, that is it then. Battered lemon chicken balls. 7 from Kate, 8 from me. Give them a go if you're in. Thumbs up below. Give your comments below if you tried them or not. That said new in there. So, I'm taking that's new. But you never know with these things, do you?
No.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we will hopefully... She have got something on, by the way. Because she's short. She's been sitting out in the sun. Hopefully, there you go. Hopefully, we'll get you lovely people the next one.
Yeah.
Thanks
See
for
ya.
watching. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.